Ebusuafo, President Mahama, before becoming the president, as you all know, as honest as he is, Edikai Emagana Fuina TSS, NPP in 8 years, I'm mismanaging Ghana, ye economy, to the point they say, Yesika Sem Enkoye Biasa. Intino, Mahama Ebeye Mampenino, he's trying every means possible to live within the means. Said Ebeye Omo Ghana banker, because when they kind Emagana Fuina TSS, Yesika Sem Enkoye, iti Mahama Ebaye will live by example. Or Gavin will lead by example to the point they say, and a crampo car Mahama Yusua or they dinner konya ba na say or the yen around so no. Ebinomo chese ninuya Ibrahim Mahama na etomano. Ebi so chese or no na eto na de. Now so the bottom line, the fact of the matter is say Saka doesn't belong to the state. It belongs to the Mahama family. It belongs to Ono John Dramani Mahama. Now so Ghana for minum yanu yao ebetina social media edi Mahama tembo Mahama chitrantrol to Mahama so as they have always done. HSU Saka no crampono yase Mahama tibe over $600 million na to ye ebisi 1 million hwan kekan sembebre. Now so adia Mahama ya ni say ompese obebo Ghana banika obo Ghana person ho ban because senior making wedi kan ama Ghana for inati asese yesika sebu nkoyi. So Mahama is trying every means possible to preserve and conserve and grow the little money that we have left as a nation after 8 years under the corrupt NPP government. President John Mahama is on a tour to nations like the Gambia, the Senegal, Okoda home peninfuase. Say based on invitation, one to an amount a presidential inauguration ubi. Now private jet Mahama yusu belonging to Ninuya Ibrahim Mahama your friend Ojata private jet. Ghana for asabetina social media esaka ho asem esedi Mahama tem ibinum chese o edienti na you say the Mahama ba na anu ya and all fly in luxury edienti na Mahama ba ye presidential jet Ghana bind dia to ama Ghana penifo on use na ensem bebre ensem hwanyan ensem tantantan etiyeni kan yenti ensem a Felix Kwache edi atudwa concerning this issue na yentua yejumadi so emfri ho.
This trip to the Gambia, why did the president travel on Jata private jet?
Well, I'm sure you are aware, as if you didn't remind that President Mahama is the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Since he became president, he has requested for a detailed report of the state of the communications squadron. The communications squadron is a unit within the Air Force that handles the presidential aircraft. So he has requested that they give him a brief on the states of the unit itself, that's the communications squadron, the planes under their control and what have you. That report is yet to filter in. So pending the receipt of that report to determine the state of the aircraft and what have you, the president has been traveling the same way he was traveling in position. He has been using the data jets since he was in the position. But the most critical point that must be made is that this alternative arrangement has not in any way, shape, or form cost the Ghanaian taxpayer a dime. President Mahama is mindful of the precarious economic situation we are in, and therefore is minded to utilize public funds in the most prudent of ways. So he is not about to dole out millions of Ghana cedis, as used to be the case in the very recent past under the previous government, to rent expensive aircraft to sit in. This aircraft has been available to him since his days in position. He has used it. Indeed, some of the vessels that I referred to in the immediate aftermath of his election as president in December 2024 were undertaken with this aircraft. It has not led to any cost whatsoever to the Ghanaian taxpayer. But President Mahama is committed to using the presidential jet as soon as he gets the all clear from the communications squadron I beg your pardon, of the Ghana Air Force.
Felix, is this private jet the president's personal property?
Everybody knows that the private jet belongs to Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, who is a...
All right. It's in a winning chichi Felix Kwache edi atudra. Na munti hase. Munam social media and mainstream media chese na Mahama na private jet na obo Ghana banka munti ha. Presidential jet na Ghana wono. In 8 years, Akufo Addo antenem. Some of you, saw nothing wrong with it. Tie na tie ni ye. Mo amwa chimi no munti ha. Say presidential jet Ghana were in 8 years Akufo Addo amfo. High jet. Sa jet na mampanye Akufo Addo han ye no na enye Ghana ni bia dia. Go high free outside. Every 1 hour biana utua 14,000 euros. Some of us sat on social media, and some of you came out to defend. Say, the ATM Mampene Akufo Addo enfro sa presidential jet is because fault were home. All right, this was the excuse. It be no better on social media, empo mainstream media. The Ghana for Toma Ghana for the say the ATM Mampene Akufo Addo enfro presidential jet because fault were home. Now, afena Mampene John Mahama ba sa fault no. Say yes, say yes, ye, minu yenim. Na sabi you John Mahama enkofo. Enam riemu. Enfane nkwohwe enkuni free wiase ana. I am using your own words. Defense amwa kasa motina social media defend ye na mede ebisa mo say. Sa jet na mo che Ghana for se fault wo mu no. The same jet no. Ena Mahama ensa nkofo. Na sebi enfa Mahama enhwe ase ana na sebio ede a trap ena mo seti amobọ mpa ya se John Mahama entum ede a trap. Now yanti ase se sa presidential jet yi sa jata presidential jet yi no sa jata private jet yi a President Mahama eyusui eye belonging to Ghana ni Ibrahim Mahama dia. Ibrahim Mahama is a Ghanaian. Ibrahim Mahama is a son of the land. In Tiempo, Swampa say yemfani say asemka. Seka Mahama mpo unlike Akufo Addo etua be $1 million per 1 hour crampo. All that money no will stay in Ghana. All that money is going to a Ghanaian. And that Ghanaian will, in return, invest that money into the nation's economy. Sania Ibrahim Mahama a created jata cement ni area Ghana fo binum enya adwuma eye so ampa se empusa jetway se Mahama ebo ho kakra mpo all that money no is coming back to the Ghanaian economy. Unlike Mampene Akufo Addo sa jet na otua 14,000 euros per 1 hour no. That jet no na enya Ghana for dia. So all that money was going to outside of the nation. Tieniye na tieniye. Na empo sa jet ya Mahama eyusu enya Ghana ban dia. Enya Ghana ban na efuo. Enya Ghana ban na ebo hoka because Mahama wants to be prudent with the expenses. Say ne be ya omo Ghana banka and I say onudi ka che Ghana for say yesi kasem nkoyi no. Onsa nya de bia ebe sabo Ghana banka. And this is what John Mahama wants to do. Inti no mu amunam social media esa ka ho asem no. Mahama sabi ne nso no ena mope ne kokobo na koma na dwen ni wuo ena mope anase ede ne ade potepa na Ghana fo hia free John Mahama ho papai obua Ghana hey oyese ya hey ofa ha esekwe ura ha eseka keka ede ade ena mo hia free Mahama ho NPP ntiase 4 years no a long journey. Na the way amosi asha asientem a mo true jandabo no samudi agra 1 year mpo ma you get tired monto bobu ase afa na Mahama aba finance minister mpo Mahama ni bi monto bobu ase na sa jet na Mahama airflow no sabiu enye Ghana ban dia enye Ghana ban na efuo eye ni nua Ibrahim Mahama dia etibone be na oho na mpo wa hai Ghana ni jetu sika bia wotwa bia yemfa ne se o sika bi mpo asanya meche no that money is coming back to the nation unlike mokwasi and penny akwatetia no every dime every money he spent went outside of the nation cause siato na motuo chese ena Mahama ena obo Ghana banka ena Ghana presidential jet edieti na Mahama emfuo 8 years under Akufo Addo wamfo you saw nothing wrong shut up shut the hell up. Now 8 years under Mampene Akufo Addo wamfo you people saw nothing wrong with it. Eti Mahama ba let Mahama be muni munyansa nche Mahama believe you me and trust me say muni munyansa nche President Mahama chese onudi Kenya 4 years akwatene fie 8 years esue nyansa asaba muni munyansa nche no adibia Mahama eye bia onimnia woye Anamobia Mahama to bia onimnia oye. Munyai Mahama na Mahama nye juma is too early. Ni Jimmy no. It's too early. Any Jimmy in Sasenka Samre go back to the drawing board and sit down and think say then I gonna afford to about you lose over 2 million votes. How to bring your party together. When you Sambi I was saying we jandam and a Mahama A, Mahama B, and a Mahama C, and a Zekabia, Mahama Ato, and a Jetibia, Mahama Fly, and a Hawaii Jimmy Kwasiasem. Share. And so ba kwa eda Kenya ne Tanzania for penifo ne Ghana penifo binum especially NPP penifo ne say Kenya ne Tanzania for penifo no omu US kakrampo a they reinvest the money into their own nation by building malls and putting up apartments and what have you, so on and so forth. Now so Ghana penifo titru ne NPP penifo no one US kana ye de ko Dubai, ye de ko America, ye de ko UK. Yeah, they go offshore bank accounts money ade without really investing that money into the nation. And no na John Dramani Mahama to the extent they say ya make sure no men ka say Ibrahim Mahama jet na Mahama for obo Ghana bank ade bi na mum ni ame patch ne say empo say ka Mahama unlike Akufo Addo de no ebo ho kakrampo a e ka na obo no o come back to the nation. Ada sebi Ibrahim Mahama ofri Togo, ofri Mali, Mauritania, onye Ghana ni. Adibia oye bia Ghana heya na oye no. Ne kasa auto, companies a obie, na de bia oye bia oye ne Ghana ha. So where from this hatred? Ene nkwasiasem, ene Jimmy sem, ene say Mahama na hwan ne nkwasake kan ye say Mahama ka bi na jet bi na mo Jimmy. NPP. Me si mo Jimmy. Sa mre na nkwasa botina se na mo dwene. How to bring your party back? How to reunite your party? Say Mosankwasia party na mampeneku fado akwatete tantantana seno. Sit down and think of how to bring back the party. Enye Jimmy. Papa ba ye chese 2 weeks impu onyaye. Mwasha siye ene Jimmy enkwasia keka ena Mahama A ena Mahama B ena Mahama C ni Mahama A ye. Any sensible leader will do that. Because Sakas na mampeni Akufo Addo NPP aban edija Mahama no ye ncheke sakas ni wiye e wo say national security for the cheke sakas no say camera bia nim security threat bia doesn't affect the car and sana Mahama ebetimi eyusu. So for now no John Dramani Mahama ahan car na say onu ankasa eyusu ne car nko say ye tuche e bon sema Mahama kra bon abaso enye Jimmy ene nkwasi asem tie. Say Mahama more abaika because the moment I swear Mahama in, it was a Ghana abina a money car yusu. Now so esan say, yen check it sarcas no yentino. John Dramani Mahama hanka, and cause a Ghana abika hank cabano. Now so Mahama say me yusu mi car, we cause a Ghana for ye Bob Mahama baso. Jetino, and cause a Mahama hain near a sompo chesa, we cresa. Jetwe, a socra. And cause Mahama high a chance now so all drink Ghana for dachi. Now all drink Ghana for hunti or say there be that. Let me use this mini bus, mini jets. Say that ya member Ghana banker. We so e ba ya montiasie and I'm Ghana ha mainstream media, social media can kwasi asem say and Mahama na jet a o use na say ni bo na de we de mo Jimmy. NPP me say mo de mo Jimmy and say Mahama jeta o chie jeta o yusu and a hanging kwasi akeka ne kwasi asem ne Jimmy sem Jimmy munyai Jimmy no abruso bruise go munyai Jimmy no. Now you face the facts. Listen. So every step be a President Mahama take biano or take it in the interest of each and every Ghanaian, especially with the youth, or Dache Huntia. Mampenia Akufo Addo Samika Emesenka he obehan ka Samika wahan be Rolls Royce or dem nam Ghana ha. Mampenia Akufo Addo Sergeant Wika or han da obeka se isoba no ontimi ndwaye wo. Na so Mahama wanwe adwaye ho. Wanwe se wabru ni ho, wadwen mo ho, wadwen mo ma, wadwen mo dache ho. E de jet we e kwone saa. Send be ya say ye check Ghana jet TV na say bibia you okay a wa hya se e yusu a musimo ntiase e de na won ntiase ne Jimmy montiase e de na montiase ne Jimmy ni abro ni be ye de na montiase Dear ya. It's Yantiase, sorry. Some of us will defend President Mahama as long as he's on the right course. Yeah, me say Mahama ya adie na senya meka. Now so say adie Mahama ye no boa Ghana for na say enye boni bi na Mahama die nko adie na say if you come after Mahama me defend Mahama free of charge. Me defend it because Ghana ye ya enye me nko Ghana be ye for each and every Ghanaian. Mo awoti Ghana krati through Ghana ye ya. You people will be the first beneficiaries. Iti munyai jimi ni saka se hunu no ene nkwasi akeka ne jimi se mo no munyai na yemwa na President Mahama na membu no entimi enkoyi. Sa simple as that. Sa simple as that. So simple as that. Ebusianfo edibisi asanya mu nyina mu ni media the chairman Freemind. Enjoy the rest of your time and I'll see you in my next video. Makram.